Hello friends, today's topic is marginal costing. What is the concept of marginal costing? The term marginal cost derives from the word margin. The accountant concept of marginal cost differs from the economist concept of marginal cost. From the economist point of view, cost incurred in producing a further unit of product is called as marginal cost. From accountant point of view, marginal cost applies to the total cost received by adding prime cost and variable cost. Definition by ICMA about the marginal costing is that a report on marginal costing defines marginal cost as the amount at any given volume of output by which aggregate costs are changed. If the volume of output is increased or decreased by 1 unit. In practice, this is measured by the total variable cost attributable to 1 unit. In this context, a unit may be a single item of a product process, an operation, a batch of production, a department, or a stages of production capacity. It relates to change in output in the particular circumstances under consideration. Dear friends, after understanding the concept of marginal costing, let us see what are the advantages of marginal costing. The point number 1, it is easy to recognize and may be combined with standard costing. Point number 2, it offers a clear knowledge of the connection among cost, selling price, and volume of output. Point number 3, it brings out clearly the contribution of each product to the profit, which enables in higher decision making. Point number 4, it facilitates in working out the maximum overall profit that can be earned. And now point number 5, by not charging fixed overhead to cost of production, the impact of varying charges per unit is avoided. These are the advantages of marginal costing. After understanding the advantages of marginal costing, now we are focusing on what are the disadvantages of marginal costing. That the point number 1. This technique is useful only for short-term analysis. It has little use for long-term analysis. Point number 2. The separation of cost into fixed cost and variable is difficult and sometimes gives misleading results. Point number 3 of disadvantages is that normal costing system also apply overheads under normal operating volume. Hence, no advantage is gained by marginal costing. Then point number 4, application of variable overhead depends on estimates and not on actuals, as there may be under or over recovery. Then point number 5, volume variance in standard costing all discloses the effect of fluctuation in volume on fixed overheads. Then point number 6, control affected by means of budgetary control is also acceptable by many. To know the net profit, fixed overhead is a valuable item. Then next point is that in actual practice, the sales price, fixed cost and variable cost per unit may vary. And the last point is that the income tax authorities do not recognize the marginal cost for inventory valuation. Thank you and all the best. In the next topic, we will see the application of marginal costing.